There's a guide on how you can make another account on Instagram even if you already have one. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is click on the profile section of your screen, like in the bottom right of your screen. You will see the profile icon. Click on that. After that, I want you to click on the profile icon and hold on to it. Okay, not your profile, but the same profile icon in the bottom right. You have to hold on to it. Okay. After that, this page will open up and it will show you all the accounts that are on your Instagram. Okay. And you have to click on add Instagram account with the plus icon. You have to click on the plus icon. After that, click on create new account. And then you can choose a username. So I'm going to do that. Let's just say once you're done, click on next. After choosing a username, there's a very high chance that it'll say the username is not available, which means someone else is already using your username. But don't worry, it'll give you a lot of suggestions. You can choose one of these suggestions. Okay, for example, let's just choose the first one, for example. And then you will see a green tick mark, which means this username is available and no one else is using it. So once you're done, click on next. After that, you have to create a strong password. So I'm going to do that. After that, click on complete sign in. You can also add a phone number and email address if you want to. As you can see, right below the complete sign up option, you will see a blue text which says add new phone number or email address. Okay, so you can do that. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click on complete sign up. It says registering. It can take a few minutes. Now, once that's done, you have to click on continue if you want to get Facebook suggestions as well. I do not want Facebook suggestions, so I'm going to click on skip. Okay, click on skip again if you want to skip. After that, it will say next you can allow access to your contacts to make it easier to find your friends on Instagram. You can do this if you want to. So click on next. If you want your contacts on this account, you have to click on allow. I'm not going to do that. I don't want my contacts on this one. So I'm going to click on don't allow. After that, it will ask you to add a profile photo. You can do this if you want to. Otherwise, you can click on the skip icon, the skip button on the top right section of your screen. After that, click on skip. After that, it'll show you the accounts that you can follow. I'm not going to follow anyone. So click on skip. It'll ask you to turn on notifications. That's also up to you. I'm not going to do that. I don't want notifications. You can allow, but I'm clicking on don't allow. After that, you can click on skip. Just skip all of this. And that's it. That's how you create an account on Instagram if you already have one.